Bring your ass home.
Stop.
Queen, stop talking like this. You getting me tight.
Goodbye.
And bring your ass over.
Okay. Bye. That's what I was fucking talking about. Period. Something like that. Something like that. Occasionally.
How many bodies is too hard for a man and woman?
I honestly feel like for guys it don't matter. I feel like for females at a certain age it don't matter, because if you're a grown woman, do what you gotta do, fuck who you wanna fuck, be with whoever you wanna be with, don't limit yourself. You might not fuck the 30th nigga.
What's the cutoff age?
For what?
If you said for women, you feel like after a certain age, what age are you allowed to be a butterfly?
20.
What the fuck? You're fucking at 15.
Exactly, you should not be on your fucking 15 body in fucking high school.
No, I'm saying, but I said what's the cutoff age where you can start fucking whatever you want?
How?
Like freely.
Like freely. How? So look.
I just said 20.
So between the ages of 15 to 20, 15 or 19.
You gotta have morals.
You have to have morals.
I feel like you should not. I feel like you should not be going around fucking everybody at that age, because one, you're gonna get to a stage where you're gonna regret it.
So as soon as you turn 20, that gets erased.
Not as soon as you turn 20. It don't get erased. But I just feel like.
How much bodies y'all got? But not to say, like how much bodies, but just to hear the number 3 about.
I just feel like conduct yourself, because you gonna regret a lot of those niggas you fucked. And I feel like at a certain age you're gullible, and yeah.
All right. What makes a man zesty?
Don't be telling me what to wear. Like, a nigga telling me what to wear.
Do you guys know what zesty means?
Yes, like you gay, like you moving like a mook. Like, why you telling me what to wear? Why you telling me you don't like my eyelash? Why you telling me you don't like my eyelash? Why you telling me I don't like the way baby hair look? Don't comment on none of that. Don't tell me you don't want me to wear eyelashes. Just tell me they look nice, and that's it, or don't comment on them. That and what else? Let me see. Make a man zesty. That's about it. I hate when niggas try to tell me how to wear my skirt and how to do my lashes. That's about it.
I like my girls naked, so. Would you rather date in private or in public?
It don't matter at this point.
Like when you say date, you mean like just, oh my God, we're going to date, we're meeting up.
Boyfriend,
like boyfriend?
The relationship.
The fucking public. Like, are y'all dumb? The fucking public. I'm dating publicly. Now, we can have our business in private, but you're gonna fucking know that this is my man, and they're gonna know that I'm your girl. I wanna be your profile picture. Make me a cover photo on Facebook. Bitch, you should have me in your highlights. Fucking public.
You take the public embarrassment.
Public embarrassment. You know what? I try to make sure. You know what? With dating niggas, like what I do is I make sure all my niggas look the same. So if I post like a beard and then 6 months later that'll work out, I got a new nigga and I post a beard, y'all really won't know if it's a new nigga. All my niggas look the same.
Wow.
Y'all would never know. Y'all would never know. I never dated a skinny nigga. I never dated a nigga without a beard. I never dated a nigga without like, they all look the same. Like all my niggas look the same. So when I post that beard, y'all still think I'm on the same nigga I was with 2019, baby. I ain't. Period.
She gotta tell you.
Oh my God.
Period.
Do you believe in threesomes?
Hell no. Not with my nigga. Y'all can have threesomes. Not my nigga.
Would you ever have a threesome?
I would never have a threesome.
Why not?
What I need a threesome for? I just told you I fucking took 7 to fucking 15 minutes to fucking come, and you tell me I need a threesome. One nigga can't do it. Like, what the fuck? And if I have a threesome, it's gonna be with a girl, but I would never have a threesome because I'm not having no bitch fuck my man.
What you do? What you don't fuck? I know you don't fuck whoever's not you. Alright, bro. It's not even gonna work.
I'm tired.
Which Zodiac sign give you the best sex?
Aries.
What nationality gave you the best sex?
Jamaican. Jamaican me crazy.
What about
Jamaican.
What about the sex was so good?
They just so rough. Like they rough, and then when they not rough, they just nice, and it just gives you that nice moist feeling. Like it's just smooth when it's not rough, but when it's rough. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like you ever had a nigga? Wait, you ever?
Ask the ladies, the bad girls here.
Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like you ever had a nigga just? I don't know, cause I date big niggas. The niggas just be picked. They be like this, like, and I like that. I'm sorry, doggy. I like that. Get them big niggas, y'all.
Do you think you're toxic?
No.
Alright, Alexa. What's the most toxic thing you ever done?
I made me and my best friend sneak into the nigga apartment. We snuck into his apartment because I feel like when you hung up on me, you wanted to see me in person. So now I'm gonna pop up. So we rang a different bell until somebody opened the door. We got into the building, snuck up on the elevator, went to his door, listened a little to see if he was there or not. And then I called him and I said, come outside. And you can't ignore me when I tell you I'm outside your fucking door. So that's about it. This is what toxic shit I did. Don't ignore me, nigga. I'ma find your ass. One thing about me, I got time. I'ma make time for whatever I'm gonna make time for, and I wanna make time for you right now.
Alright, you gotta call, you know this girl, call the nigga, $500 for the abortion. The last nigga you slept with, the nigga you sleep with.
Next task. Next
Huh?
task.
You gotta call the nigga.
Damn, my phone off.
You know his number by head too. I know that. Call that nigga.
That one, I don't even know my passcode for this. Oh my, I don't know my passport. Passport. I can't even speak. Y'all got me shook. Okay, I'm ready. It's funny because I was blocked yesterday, but I ain't blocked today, so God knew what he was doing. Why are we all blocked? Y'all blocked? Why are we all blocked? And we all say we not toxic. Word 2, I was blocked yesterday. Are you ready? Puppy. Y'all ready? What I gotta say?
You need 500. You think you're pregnant? You need $500 for an abortion.
Damn, my heart.
You go for it though.
All right, hold on.
Why you made it 500? That's not even realistic.
Yeah, it's not. It's really not.
You could have lowered it so the nigga.
Let's say 200. No, it don't. Wait, hold on.
I paid for it.
You got robbed, dickhead.
It's called inflation.
Took $250 to get her braids done.
Nah, she went to Bali with the money. Alright, ready? Can I say like 3 something?
Edges and shit.
Yes, in Harlem.
In Harlem. That's a fact. Alright, y'all gotta be quiet on the scene. Y'all ready? Wait. Y'all ready? Alright,
Hello.
Hi, what you doing?
I'm waiting on you.
Huh? You waiting on? Why you waiting on me for? Hello? Why are you waiting on me?
Okay.
I never said I was coming over tonight. Anywho, I know like we beefing or whatever, but I went to the doctor the other day, and I just felt like something was off, and you just know how my body be. But I took a blood test, and I'm pregnant, G.
You said what? Hold on, let me pause this. Oh shit. Wow. Damn, that's crazy. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and put that money back in that account.
You're like, why are you laughing? This is not. I went there by myself and I had nobody to call when I found out that news. You're fucking laughing.
But listen, alright, well, put that money back in that account. Well, fuck it. We gotta kick them niggas out the fucking house. The other house. And
You gonna kick your tenants out?
Nigga, what else we gonna do? You gonna get what you gonna do?
But honestly, like the way we've been moving lately, I already made my mind up. Like I don't think I want a baby right now, and I definitely don't think I want that to be you right now.
Clip.
What do you mean? It's not your body. It's my body.
Clip. Let me tell you something.
Tell me something, cause you always got something to say.
Let's take a trip to Curacao. Let's do that. We're about to take a trip to Curacao.
And then what? What are you talking about?
We'll figure it out from there.
I just figured it out. I'm going this week. I'm going Wednesday.
Clip. I'm not even entertaining all of this.
I need 300. I don't know. Put the rest and yeah, G.
You need what?
The abortion. Why you like? I need the abortion money.
Nigga, I got insurance. What abortion money? You better bring your ass home. Come on, let's talk about this.
I don't live with you and we're not together. So why you tell me bring your ass home? I've been moved out. Stop.
Queen, stop talking like this. You get me tight.
Goodbye. I'ma see you.
Hey, hello.
What?
Put the money back in the account and bring your ass over.
Okay. Bye. That's what I was fucking talking about. Period. Hold on. Backstory. We got a joint bank account, guys. We got a joint bank account. That's what he talking about. But you hear how he was like, hello, big nigga, get you a big nigga, get you a top dog nigga, get you a nigga that don't get sent to the corner store, get you a nigga that send the niggas to the corner store, yeah. Period. Y'all really just put me in a deep ass hole though, cause we dead beefing and we dead not talking, and it's crazy how he unblocked me today. Now he's really gonna think I'm coming to his house.
I think he was waiting for you to get pregnant too.
I think so too.
No, it's not like he was waiting. I'm just saying he's waiting. Got her ass!
I think he been trying to trap me too.
Look, alright, real quick, please, you want to talk that shh?
Talk that shh.
Perfect. Straight. How long does this sex last?
Like 15 minutes.
15 minutes? How long does it take you to nut?
10 minutes.
You can nut in 10 minutes? Wow. Specialist.
You gotta make yourself nut. Like, you gotta know how to move.
I was just telling you earlier, right? Like, I know some girls that know how to make themselves nut.
Yeah.
On dick. That's fine. How many bodies is too hot for a man and woman?
I say more than 30 right now.
For who?
For our age.
For both genders?
No, for a man right now.
For women, how much?
Probably like 10.
What, 20? You're what?
20. 19.
You're 19.
She said for her.
10?
For a girl?
When did you start? When did you start fucking? Like 15, 16 average?
Yeah.
I see where you're going with it.
She gonna go with it.
Where you trying to go with it?
Judge, I'm just saying, if 10 is too much for 19, could you imagine a decade from 10? When you are
okay, so when I do run into more people, probably like 15, 20. When I'm like...
At what age?
Probably like 30. I don't know.
So you went from 10 in 4 years.
So there you go. I see where you going.
10 years.
But that's how I put it.
Nigga, lower tongue to whole mathematics.
Nah, you trying
to see how it makes sense.
I'm trying to make it make sense. Like,
okay.
It's only gonna get worse, by the way.
Oh.
There's way more niggas out here. And your body is also growing with you too. Feel me? What makes a man zesty?
When he with his friends too much, and they always hanging around with each other, and he barely act like he got time for you. That's one thing. 2 is, I would say the hookah.
Niggas can't smoke hookah no more. Niggas be looking like fish.
Like sucking bear.
So is there a masculine way to smoke hookah?
No, just smoke weed. Like Santana said, just smoke your weed.
Santana does not have the right to Santana does not have the right to speak on straight niggas.
He said when his daddy come home, he gonna be straight.
That nigga never coming home. I ain't get the joke.
He coming home.
Nigga went to get the milk, bro.
Bye.
Would you rather date in public or private?
Private.
Why?
Cause I feel like it will last longer. Nobody's gonna be in your business. Keep it private.
Okay. Do y'all just be scared that the men are gonna?
Yeah, cause like for real though, like once a girl sees you with a guy, he could be ugly, and once he be with you, like I'm like, okay, he kind of cute.
I wish more women understood that they have the power, like in regards to that. Like depending on who the girl is, that man could get.
Yeah, he could be
mad.
top shelf.
I hate that for y'all. Do you believe in threesomes?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, yes and no. If I'm in a relationship, no. But like sometime down the line, I would have a threesome.
2 guys, 2 girls.
One guy, one girl.
Oh, I'm bugging. Got you. Which Zodiac sign gave you the best sex?
Cancer.
What nationality was he?
Haitian.
Shout out to the fellas, man. Finally. I was waiting for that one. What about the sex made it so good?
I think the way he was just touching me, like kissing me on my forehead, caressing my body, choking me, just making me feel good, making me feel powerful. I would say like 7.5, 8.
I was asking for size. I was asking if that played a role.
No.
Do you think you're toxic?
No.
What's the most toxic thing you ever done?
Chase a nigga down my block for his phone.
You ran after a man?
He came to my house.
But you, fuck what you did. You ran after a man for his phone?
Yes.
That's not crazy.
Came to my house. So let me see the phone. You wanted me back, so let me see the phone.
How did that end?
Tried to hit me in his car. I took his house keys. I met him at his house. It was just crazy.
He tried to hit you with his car?
Yes.
Y'all stayed together after that shit, right?
We did. I miss you, boo.
Oh, shit. But you're not toxic?
No.
Right. Call the last person you had sex with.
His phone is off.
I couldn't live with that answer. That's funny. He don't got like no social media. You can't call him on Instagram or nothing. I'm gonna let y'all rock. Alright, talk that shh.
Talk that shh.
Perfect.
Thank you. Bye, Ansel.
How long should sex last?
I say 20 minutes. Yeah.
How long does it take you to nut?
I never nutted. So. Yeah. Like during sex, yeah, I never nutted. No.
How many bodies is too hot for a man or a woman?
I don't know. I feel like after a certain age, it doesn't matter.
For both?
Yeah, but niggas be treating from young, so. Yeah. I don't like when niggas have mad bodies. It's like the turn off.
What's the cap?
You mean like?
For a nigga you dealing with right now, what's the cap?
How much he should have?
Yeah.
I mean, I would never know the truth, but
Let's just say he just wants to like.
Probably like 10. Yeah, like that's never gonna happen. That's never gonna happen.
It's like in a year.
Yeah, I know that's never gonna happen. They be lying though.
It's 4 weeks in a month, right?
Wait,
It's 4 weeks in a month. Right?
what that
You might
mean?
really take 2 months
It's
off.
7 days in a week, right?
That's OD though. That's OD.
I'm just asking a question.
That's a fact. Some niggas is like that. Though.
Wait,
I'm not just saying 7 days in a week. That's all I'm doing.
Y'all nasty.
a different bitch every day?
I can't do that. But
Every week you can.
4 weeks, 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow.
What makes a man zesty?
The whining, selfies. Like, why? No, it's the way niggas be taking selfies sometimes and be looking a little sus. Yeah, those are my turn-offs. I don't know. Oh, hookah, yeah. Hookah.
That's cat.
I mean, no.
Look, I'll be in the section.
It's the way they it's the way they smoke it sometimes.
Yeah, like niggas be
It's the way they be,
I don't
yeah.
want to feed the hookah, but I'm not about to feed the hookah and then just catch me on some. That's mad.
Okay, buddy.
recording this.
But niggas can do that with weed though.
Because it's, I don't know, I think it's because it's weed. It's not hookah. Hookah's made for, like, not made, but sold for women.
He's more gangster.
No, hookah. That's
So
what
y'all-
When did
Bro, you gotta look like it's a
Yeah.
straw, bro. You're, it look bad. We gonna get back to that.
The way they be smoking it sometimes.
I can show you a video of a nigga look like you would think he's sus, bro.
I'm big. I don't even smoke hookah. This don't look as feminine.
He do not want to say.
Would you rather date in private or public and why?
I'd rather date in private because public, it just goes down the drain.
Why in public does it go down?
It goes down the drain because, like, everybody in your business, bitches want to start fucking them because they see you with them. And then, people be in your business. Like, I don't need people knowing who I'm dealing with. No.
Do you believe in threesomes?
No. I would have one, but not with my nigga. No, like, I'm gonna end up doing something to the girl, so, yeah.
You scared that they gonna fuck each other behind your back?
Yeah, that's really what it is. Yeah, that's really what it is, I'm not gonna lie. That's really, like, what if, yeah, no.
I get it. What nationality gave you, what Zodiac's not giving you the best sex?
I don't,
But you never done it.
yeah, I don't think any.
Man,
No, I never had best sex yet.
she just crushed all them niggas' egos. She just crushed all them niggas' egos.
You faked it for a nigga before? You faked it for a nigga before?
No, I mean, yeah, I like, but not orgasm, orgasm, no, I never faked that. Or like nutting, no. I say, like, you really didn't make me nut, and I make them feel bad about themselves.
You tell niggas that?
Yeah.
Niggas be asking you that?
Yeah.
Cause I be asking people.
Yeah, and I say,
Bad thing, though.
a
girl that you know, like, yo, you didn't.
She mean honestly, if she's trying to do it to destroy your ego, yeah, it's a fucking.
I mean, it's not to destroy the ego, it's to, like, get better, too, because it's like, why?
What if it's not them, it's you?
How could it be me?
I'm just asking.
My vibrator make me nut. How?
That's a solid point. All right.
How you can't make me nut?
Do you think you're toxic?
Yeah,
Wait, what makes you toxic?
very much so. It's just a lot of stuff I've done.
What you done?
Popped up at your houses. It's just like I'm bipolar. Nah, it's not bipolar. It's just like I could like cry and tell you mad hurtful stuff and then say sorry the next minute and like be sad and feel bad.
What's your sign?
I'm a Virgo.
What was September?
No, but August.
What's the most toxic thing you ever done?
The most toxic thing I ever done? That's a lot. I don't know.
The worst, the one that you think that would really piss a nigga off.
I faked like I was pregnant. I wasn't pregnant.
Okay, perfect. Perfect segue. You have to call the last nigga that you got slept with, or the nigga you're currently sleeping with.
I'm celibate right now.
The last nigga you slept with.
That was mad long ago. So
Wasn't
like
that long ago?
last year.
Last year what? It's 9 months.
Last year. Last year. I don't have his number no more. I deleted it off my phone. I don't. He don't have Instagram.
Where the fuck you met this nigga at?
I don't know. He a criminal.
Where the fuck did you meet him at? Jail?
Nah, I never been to jail. He just don't got no social. No, nothing. He on the run.
He on the run? Say that. What was up?
He on the run.
I say talk that shit. What's up?
Talk that shh.
Alright.
Why you ended it like
Alright, one more. Last one. How long should sex last?
I say about 10 minutes, the most, or the least. The least. 10 minutes the least.
How long does it take you to nut?
Very long, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It depends on the boy too. It depends on the boy. Maybe like 10 minutes if it's really good, but 20 or 30 minutes max.
How many bodies is too high of a body count for a man and a woman?
I feel like I have the expectation for all niggas to have high body counts, so no number is really too high. I just feel like if you're in the 3 digits is a bit crazy, but that's it, yeah.
You feel the same way about women?
As a woman, I feel like your body count should be way below the 3 digits. That's different. It's different between women and men.
What's a good number for a woman?
Depends on the age.
25.
I feel like in college, a lot of women like go through a lot and they have sex with a lot of people. They do. Well, I'm not speaking for myself. I'm speaking like based on what I hear. Come on, the doggy.
Hello. He's good. You can let him move. Let him move, but like just don't let him go. You can still talk.
I feel like he's struggling.
don't let him jump off again.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like at 25, like 10, 15, I don't know. It's calm. Continue. Next question.
What makes a man zesty?
I feel like tight ass jeans is very zesty. Very tight jeans and being with your friends for too long. Like leaving your girlfriend and being with your friends for way too long. That's very zesty.
Would you rather date in public or private, or why?
I'm a public relationship kind of gal, but I would be public but not show like who I'm messing with. Like I'm in a relationship but you don't know with who. Yeah.
Which zodiac sign gives you the best sex?
A Scorpio.
I'm guessing, what's his nationality?
He's actually American.
What about it made it so good?
I don't know, he just was hitting the spots. He knew how to, yeah.
Do you feel like you're toxic?
No.
What's the most toxic thing that you've done?
Say that again?
What's the most toxic thing you've ever done?
This is the most toxic I ever got in my life, and it was last year. I spray painted a boy's car. It was a BMW, and I wrote SMD on it because he did some fucked up shit to me, so yeah.
Did he do anything back?
Huh?
He didn't get you back for that?
No, he's a pussy boy. He didn't do nothing.
Do you believe in threesomes?
No.
Why not?
Because I just know. I rather it to myself and that's it. Why do you need an extra somebody for entertainment?
Slash.
It depends on the person. It depends on the person.
You gotta explain that for me.
So like,
Average, like how long should sex last?
if he like a hood nigga, a good 10 minutes.
What she said?
Is she like a whole nigga?
A good 10 minutes if you're a nigga. If he like a regular boy. If he like a regular boy, calm 5 minutes. But you know, like the hood niggas, they be choking you and stuff. So that's my answer.
How long does it take you to nut?
I never nutted before.
I'm about to dip. Yo, zoom in on that, bro.
Call me.
Wow. Bitch, I ain't going through it, bro. I'm telling you, shit's sad.
Yo, bro.
I gotta talk to y'all
You feel bad for the community.
Hold on, real quick. Shh. My man. I don't know my man's.
in general, y'all speak to y'all voice.
That's not my man.
Word.
Right.
Hello, real quick. How you lied about that to a man before?
I never lied.
So you never faked it up for a nigga?
No.
To stop? Which one you like, fucking regular niggas?
Hood niggas.
What?
They be choking you. They be like, come here.
Regular niggas don't choke you?
No, they be like, that's weird. Like, why you want me to hit you? Why not?
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna give you some help after this.
Alright, how many bodies is too hot for a man and woman?
I don't know. Next question.
So you don't think a man should be limited?
I feel like we all grown. Like, be fucking for real.
What makes a man zesty?
The nose piercing.
Shit. Why the fuck you look at me, nigga? I just wanted to get Oh shit, she got him.
Sorry.
Got him.
But no,
Nigga
for
look straight at me.
real. The nose piercing. Why I gotta call you first? Why you can't call me?
That makes a nigga zesty?
Yeah.
The nigga don't want to pick up his fucking call.
Busy.
You can't do shit.
How you busy? You have no job.
You can't not do shit.
You don't got no job. How you busy? You don't got no job. Well, what else? What else? What else? Nah, they be doing a lot of zesty shit. I just don't know right now. Oh, hanging out with your friends for too long? Hold on, I'm gonna call you back. My bro calling me. Why you hanging up? You like next man voice?
Oh, he's wild, bro.
I'm going to Miami with my
I can't come up here.
But you be like, they be like, oh,
My bro's out of the way.
don't fall.
Conversation's gonna be lit still.
Hey, we talk about them 9 times out of 10.
That was mad slow.
Sit down.
That's blooper. Should've got that.
Exactly.
My fault.
You know recording for real.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got it. It's in the order. She was in the
What?
Stop.
Said you was going to tell me to ask about the song. I'm like, yo, that's after. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
You pull me.
Give me a buddy.
Would you rather date in public or private?
In private.
Why?
Why would I do that? Be fucking for real. Why would I do that?
Why not though? Like, why would you rather date?
Cause niggas be hoes, like, and they dead be having baby mothers and you would never know.
Same thing with, like, with
I mean, girls dead be hoes too.
No, fuck that. Not. Fuck that. That's not a problem. No. My thing is, you don't think, like, your choice of niggas might be the issue?
Okay, I just sound like her niggas. what you think?
Alrighty. Which Zodiac sign gave you the best dick?
Gemini. I got a baby.
Oh, that's your baby daddy?
Yeah, he a Gemini. And he Jamaican, cause that's the next question.
Yeah, her nigga.
No, he a scammer.
Oh, that's a different category.
It is definitely a different
Wiggle.
category.
Just
But don't put that in the segment. Don't make him feel good. Don't put that.
Listen, do you feel like you're toxic?
I'm definitely toxic. I'm delusional.
I'm just thinking so much.
Do we gotta do it with the puppy? He tired.
Nah, fuck that. He's working. He's on the clock. He's good. What's the most toxic thing you ever done?
So this nigga, he wrote me. He was like, he missed me, and then I popped up at his house, and I took a picture in front of his house, and then I left, and then I sent it, and then he called me.
She got him good.
He stood outside. He stood outside the girl crib for 24 hours. She Googled somebody's mom's
And found the Addy.
and found the fucking Addy.
The 24 hours is still crazy. That's why I ain't turning around yet.
Apparently,
It was public knowledge. She went to jail. It was public knowledge.
but yo, that's mad critical thinking. Though. What are you doing?
Yeah, that's smart, bro. That's
That's
smart.
being time though.
What does
That's
mom
being
got to
time.
do with anything though?
No, she went to find
That's
Addy.
Oh, for the niggas in back?
And she caught a nigga like, yo, I'm outside. What you do outside?
You came outside?
Hell no.
I wouldn't come outside and do that. I would've been scared.
Yo. Open the door for my son.
He was like jumping from place to place, but I knew
Alright. Yo, just when you pull up, just start coming yet. Alright, what's up? No, I just asked you that.
All right, stop, please.
Joe, you got the... Do you believe in having threesomes?
No,
Why not?
that's why you got the OnlyFans bitches. Well, I gotta do that.
So you wouldn't want to have a threesome
No.
with Keisha, man?
No. Next nigga,
Not your man?
not my man. You not my
so-
man.
so
if
you
you
don't
want-
know it.
Hold on, if this nigga is perfect.
If he perfect, why he wanted threesome?
He go with his stepson. He take care of
There's
you.
somebody else that's gonna be
He
good with my son.
No, but what if he loves you and you love him too?
He don't love me if he wanted threesome.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah. Call me.
The person you sleeping with or the last person you slept with, you gotta call him?
I'm not doing that
Why not?
because
Because what?
I don't want to.
Call him.
No.
You call him.
I think I'm blocked.
I'm not what?
No.
I'm gonna call him. I'll tell him for you.
What are you gonna tell him?
That Didi's having a panic attack.
Yeah.
And now you're pregnant. Now she's pregnant.
That don't make no sense.
Cool.
Which one?
The last nigga you had sex with.
Okay. If y'all want me to embarrass myself, okay.
And then you found
Imagine
out
she got
some
like
bullshit.
3 deeps.
It wasn't ringing earlier.
Hello.
Hello?
So how you doing?
What you doing?
Do y'all still have the food for food? Just like some kid party.
What?
Just left for kid party.
get a food for food
with junior bacon and
I'm on speaker.
No.
Oh. You miss me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, you know how I was like, I had blocked you or whatever, and I was acting,
What'd you say?
you know how I blocked you and I was acting mad funny? And you kept asking me like why I blocked you?
Yeah.
medium?
Yeah, medium
Yes.
strawberry lemonade.
I'm fucking pregnant.
What?
Dead ass. That's what the fuck I said. You know I want no
Sweet
baby.
and sour. And let me get another $5
What?
baby bag with regular nuggets.
I'm asking you.
Are you dumb?
For this one, spicy nuggets, but for the
By
other
you,
one, I want regular nuggets.
by you, person.
Dead ass?
Dead ass.
Junior bacon.
Word true crit.
Type of drink.
Fruit punch.
What?
Yeah, let me get a fruit
I
punch.
said fruit punch.
Fruit punch.
Fruit punch. High C.
I see.
Yeah, this just bust my head. How? We didn't even have we didn't even
Why you
a
lying?
barbecue.
Why you lying?
We did. You
We
wasn't on that.
did. Stop
no,
lying.
Nah, I'm not even lying. I could have swore I was just rubbing my shit on there. That nigga was chop out.
Hello?
Remember?
No,
Like, you
no.
remember?
Bro, stop playing with me.
I'm not fucking playing right now.
What you trying to say? I'm pregnant by somebody else.
You so fucking rude.
Anyways, since I know that you don't want to have a kid and I don't want to have another kid, you trying to pay for my abortion?
I don't got it right now.
What you mean you don't got it? You be telling me you busy. What you mean you don't got it?
I don't got it right now. I can replace it once you pay for it, probably in a few. My birthday next month.
Okay, my birthday next month too.
You just went to Bali though. Why would you?
Okay, well me going to Bali,
Why
got
would you not? Why would you not say something before you do that? You knew this whole time like that's mad. Like I could have been. Then you could come right now.
You're not
and then
making sense. I can't even understand you.
I am making perfect sense. Why would you not say that this whole time?
Because I had to do my trip to see if I really want to have another baby, especially with
How
you.
you feel like you gonna have? How do you feel like that was gonna work? You wasn't even talking. think just, oh yeah,
Because why would I?
I was literally just on you for like, why you acting weird? Like I was literally just on you that.
Because you got a whole kid. What you mean?
What that mean? I know, but I'm talking about before I knew this. I'm asking you what's like your problem? Why you moving like this with me? And they thinking you gonna unblock me, go to Bali, call me, and then I'm showing you.
Are you mad because I went to Bali?
No, I'm mad that you went about this, bro.
Are you gonna send me the money or not?
I don't got it.
So I guess we gonna have 2 kids.
Yeah, bro. Then that's what you wanna do. Then whatever. I don't got it right now.
All right. Well, you better tell your friends we about to have a baby shower in October.
I'm not having none of that.
Yes, you are.
I don't want that.
So then give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money.
You about to blow mine.
You about to blow mine because you really on some bum shit.
No, because you really on some dumb shit. You talking about some dumb shit. I don't got it right now.
What you mean you don't got it?
Fucking trip. I want you fucking...
What my trip got to do with being pregnant?
Nigga, it's the first of the month. You just going to spring some shit on me on the first of the month. You come back.
It's the first of the month. Hello, give me the money.
Bro, like you could have said, I don't got it, bro. Like I said, you do what you want to do. I don't got it right now.
What?
Like I said, you come out of nowhere random, didn't say nothing. I'm talking to you. You're on your trip. Like, what the fuck?
Okay, what the trip got to do with me being pregnant? Just give me the money.
You knew that whole time. You could have said, nigga could have been doing.
You was acting mad stink. You could, remember when I was like, why you keep hanging up on me?
What are you talking about?
Well, you should never been acting stink.
Why would I not be acting funny? You acting funny towards me.
You really mad because I'm pregnant?
Give you bread?
But you really mad that because I'm pregnant? Like, I'm a good ass mom. Like, why are you so mad? You about to really make me cry right now.
Because you getting me tight right now. I don't give a fuck.
You don't care?
I don't. You playing this shit as a game. Like, it's not a game. Why would you wait till you ready to talk? Nigga, say that up front. We grown as hell. Either we gonna do it or we not. You gonna wait till you go on a whole trip. You don't know what's going on with my life right now. I could have had it already. You came back.
Alright, whatever. I'm never fucking with you ever again. You really on some bum shit.
All
like.
right, I don't give a
Ladies and gentlemen, Didi. No, it's really her though. This is really deep, bro. This is really her. That's why the whole trip. You see how she acted? He went on the trip with you? She moves right. He went on the trip with you?
No.
Oh, that's what
She went on the trip alone.
That's what he said. You on the bullshit. You dad was FaceTime.
Talk that shit.
One more time.
Talk that shit. The dog just farted.
How many bodies is too high for a man or a woman? And woman.
I think after like 10, you dragging it.
For both genders?
Yeah. I think after 10, you dragging it. Like, that's so deep.
All right. What do you think makes a man zesty?
Wait, repeat the question. What you said?
What makes a man zesty?
What is that word?
Why does nobody know this?
What makes a man feminine? Like
Zesty.
Like, what turns you off about a man? Like that you feel like, oh, he moving like a girl.
Oh.
Sassy ass nigga. Like what makes a man sassy?
When he start asking, for gifts, cause the men are the bad bitches.
That's a good answer.
We didn't get that one. That's that one. So he can't ask for nothing. Like
he can ask for some shit, but actually no, he can't ask. I gotta want to do it. He not about to ask me for shit. You want to be a female so bad. Why are you asking me for shit? What the hell?
it's feminine. I'm sure you can't do nothing.
Yes, I never heard that before.
Can't even breathe.
Can't even breathe. You could breathe, just not too hard.
Would you rather date in public or private?
Private.
Why?
100%. Because people always in your business. Literally always in your business. Friends, family, your second cousin, your third aunt, all of them. Literally.
I like that answer. I can live with that one. Which zodiac sign gave you the best sex?
Sag. But they toxic as shit. They give you the sex, then they leave. That's the thing. Wow. Yup.
Which nationality gave you the best sex?
Nationality? Jamaican. Jamaican me crazy. They know what they doing. They know what they doing.
The Jamaican the Sag?
Yeah. Jamaican Sag, like, that's the worst kind of nigga. If you got a Jamaican Sag, run.
Do you feel like you're toxic?
No,
Why not?
not at all. Well, one, I do therapy, so it's like, I feel like I know the toxic traits to avoid, so I don't really do them.
So what's the most toxic thing you ever done?
I'm not toxic.
You're not toxic?
No.
You don't want to be a little toxic?
Huh?
You don't want to be a little toxic?
No. I'm not toxic.
All right, there's another set of questions. What's the phone call one?
Oh.
You screenshot it. Send out text.
Actually, I do have a story about being toxic.
No.
Okay, so one time the little Sag Jamaican decided that he was gonna block me on everything. So I Googled his mom's name and found his address and went to his house. I was sitting outside the house and I was like, come outside. He was like, what are you talking about? It's like, come outside, I'm outside.
No, you're lying.
He never came outside.
That's not toxic. That's psychotic.
He never get. That's not psychotic.
Mom is crazy. Like,
Yeah.
Cause I knew his mom got arrested, so she's in the system.
Yeah, you're tagged.
That's not toxic. That's strategy.
No, but what's
Okay.
your occupation?
What do you do for work?
I do therapy. I'm a therapist,
Makes sense. Psychology.
Oh, you're a
Yeah,
psychologist.
so that makes
That's
sense.
what they do. All right. Do you believe in threesomes?
Yes.
You ever had a threesome?
No hesitation.
No, but I want to.
With
With what?
another woman? Or
Anything.
you would do 2 men?
Hell
Say
yeah.
that.
I would do 2 men. Why not?
I like her.
I just
She
want to think about
amazing.
her.
Huh?
Guys, behave. Alright, do you understand that a threesome is 3 parties interacting with each other? 2 men, if they're not interacting with each other, is a train.
What do you mean? Do I not understand? Hell yeah, I understand. What are you talking
So
about?
you would deal with 2 men that deal with each other, or would you deal with 2 men that aren't dealing with each other, but they are fucking you at the same time?
2 men dealing with each other like gay?
That's what I'm saying. A threesome is 3 parties being involved.
Right. 3 separate parties. No?
Yeah.
Or sometimes you could be with your boyfriend and you introduce somebody. No?
Yeah, but look, you have to interact sexually at the same time.
Yeah.
That's why guys like 2 girls,
Okay.
because y'all get to fuck each other too.
All right.
But 2 guys are not fucking each other. So that's why it's a train.
Y'all move. Why y'all not fucking each other?
We're moved 'cause we're not.
Why y'all not fucking each other?
Nah, look. So you would do 2 guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
DP?
I love that for you. Where's this? Oh, wow.
He said I love that for you.
Oh, okay. Last one. You have to call the last person the person you're either sleeping with or the last person you had sex with. You have to call them and tell them that you need $500 for an abortion.
Oh, I can't call them. I'm blocked.
Why?
I'm blocked. Cause men are rude as shit.
Alright, so call them off.
He gonna block your phone. That's what's gonna happen.
Call them. It's April Fools too, though.
Facts. It's not even gonna work.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
It should work. April 1st. So call them on my phone and tell them she need $500 for abortion because you've been pregnant for the last 5 weeks.
Nah, I can't call him.
Why can't you Google it?
Because last time I called him on an unknown number, he was like, oh, I was invading his privacy and he got pissed.
What kind of niggas y'all be talking?
Zesty.
Zesty.
Zesty ass niggas.
Zesty niggas for real. Sages, literally. I gotta figure out what sign you are. I gotta hear it. Talk that shh.
Y'all, don't forget to like this video. Share with your friends. Don't forget to comment topics that you want us to talk about. And can you like comments that you want us to talk about? And yeah, subscribe. Subscribe to Talk That.